How to hide an email address. In Slack, you can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open Slack and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then select Edit Profile. 2. Scroll down to the email section and check if your email is visible to other workspace members. By default, emails are private in most Slack workspaces. 3. If your email is visible and you want to hide it, ask your workspace administrator to disable email visibility in Slack's settings. 4. Workspace admins can go to Settings and Administration, Workspace Settings, and modify the email visibility preferences. 5. If you use Slack Enterprise Grid, you can request IT support to adjust privacy settings across multiple workspaces. 6. To prevent sharing your email in messages, avoid using personal email addresses in public channels or pinned messages. 7. If needed, create a separate work email or use Slack's built-in messaging tools to communicate without revealing your email address.